A big number 1, and it'll come in the form of Tobias Borland. Look at old Tobias out there. I can tell you got a little attitude about him. He's having fun. Happy big number 1, my man. He's in Carthage.
He wants one of those slices of watermelon too.
Do you? Throw it up!
That's right. Miss Aniston Kelly turning 12 years old in Uniontown. Michael's got his hands up.
I threw it up for you, Aniston. I got the U up for you. Maggie Lockhart celebrating a 30th birthday. I love the hat and the shirt, Maggie. That's awesome. Maggie's in Neosho Falls.
All right. In Neosho, Joe Watson turning 33 years old today. Hope it's a great one, Joe.
I'm not sure if Joe knew his picture was being taken right there. Or if he's like, why are you taking my picture?
I like the giant ice cream sundae in the background on the wall.
That's going to sound good this afternoon, that's for sure.
Yeah.
Randy Warstler, a happy 66th birthday to you, Mr. Warstler.
All right. And we've got Gloria Davis celebrating birthday number 68 in Fort Scott. Happy birthday, Gloria.
We have a 68th birthday as well for Chuck Chandler. Mr. Chandler, I want you to have a marvelous birthday, sir. He's in Chanute.
All right, and Marcene Sherer turning 95 years old. Looking good there, Miss Marcene, in Columbus.
And Mavis Benner, a very happy birthday to Miss Mavis. She is in Pittsburgh.
All right. Fred and Angie Edwards are celebrating their 15th anniversary. Congrats to the Edwards.
And
they're
Barbara and Stan Watkins, look at that, they're celebrating their 26th anniversary. And just so happens, they are also in Crestline.
All right. We're going to have the anniversary party in Crestline. Let's see. Let's go to Nevada for a Sweet 16 with Quentin Cruz. BJ McDermott turning another year older in Crestline. And Ella Buzzard in Weir. Happy birthday.
Barbara Reeves is celebrating a birthday in Miami. Barbara, a very happy birthday to you. And Tina Jameson, happy birthday as well. Tina is in West Mineral. Happy birthday and a happy anniversary to all on this August the 12th. That's where you can send them into birthdays at KOAMTV.com. You can also connect to us on our website at KOAMNewsNow.com. Now, here's Tanya Bob with a very important birthday announcement.
That's right. You can be a part of the KOAM Birthday Club. All you have to do is go to our website and sign up. And once you do, you'll get special deals from local businesses. Go to KOAMNewsNow.com and sign up for the KOAM Birthday Club today.